Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. In this video, we continue our guide on DVD rental services to avoid investing in. This part will cover additional risks and insights that investors should know. Reduced foot traffic and visibility. Think about where you usually find a Redbox kiosk. Outside grocery stores, at fast food restaurants, or sometimes in shopping malls. These locations used to guarantee a steady stream of people. However, the way we shop and interact with physical retail has changed. Fewer people are spending their weekends wandering through malls or making impromptu trips to many of these locations. When you're out running errands, are you still looking to grab a movie on the way home? Probably not. The spontaneous movie night decision has largely moved online. We're less likely to make a special trip just for a physical movie rental when a vast cinema of options is waiting for us at home, instantly accessible through streaming platforms. Kiosks simply aren't as visible or as integrated into our daily routines as they once were, meaning fewer people even notice them, let alone use them. Competition from digital rental and purchase. The biggest challenge for kiosks comes from our phones and smart TVs. Services like Amazon Prime Video, Google Play, and Apple TV offer immediate access to thousands of movies. What's more, these platforms often have the newest releases available for rent or purchase on the very same day they hit physical shelves. Consider the convenience factor. You don't need to drive anywhere. There are no physical discs to keep track of. You won't face late fees. For many, the small price difference, if any, between a kiosk rental and a digital rental or purchase is easily justified by the sheer convenience. You can browse, rent, and start watching a movie in minutes, all from the comfort of your couch. Why would anyone go out of their way for a kiosk when the latest blockbusters are just a few clicks away, ready to stream instantly? It's a fundamental shift in how we value our time and access entertainment. Mail order services. A specialized niche, not a growth market. While streaming services dominate, a few mail-order DVD rental services still exist. These cater to a very specific audience, like collectors or people with unreliable internet. However, looking at the bigger picture, this model isn't built for growth. Investing here means betting on a shrinking market with limited appeal beyond its current niche. We need to consider why this once popular option is now better suited for history books than for your investment portfolio. Slow delivery and limited instant gratification. Think about how impatient we've become with entertainment. We expect movies and shows to start instantly. With mail-order DVDs, you still have to wait several days for your movie to arrive. You pick a title online, it ships, and then it lands in your mailbox. This multi-day waiting period feels incredibly long compared to the immediate choices streaming offers. Why would someone choose to wait when they can watch almost anything they want, right now, with just a few clicks? The instant access of streaming makes mail order seem outdated for general entertainment. It limits the spontaneous movie night. We just don't have the patience for that kind of delay anymore. This fundamental difference makes mail order much less attractive for most people today. Shrinking subscriber base and operating costs. The number of people subscribing to mail-order DVD services continues to drop. This isn't surprising given the explosion of streaming options. As subscriber numbers fall, these companies still face significant operating costs. They have to pay for shipping, handling, and maintaining a large physical library of DVDs and Blu-rays. Each disc needs to be tracked, cleaned, and repackaged. Plus, outgoing and return postage costs add up. When fewer people are renting, these fixed costs become harder to cover. It creates a difficult situation where the business model becomes less sustainable over time. New investment in this area would mean pouring money into a service that most likely cannot recover its former popularity or achieve significant growth. It is a model in decline, not ready for a comeback. It's clear that investing in DVD rental services isn't a wise move. The entertainment world has largely moved to streaming, offering instant content and huge libraries, a convenience physical rentals cannot match. High operating costs and low customer demand continue to plague brick-and-mortar stores, while even kiosks struggle against the ease of digital rentals. Mail order services remain a niche, appealing only to a small, specific audience. Instead of looking backward, consider putting your investment towards digital entertainment companies or new media technologies. The age of widespread DVD rentals has truly passed, and the future is undeniably digital. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.